up this tunnel. Good afternoon friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing absolutely fine. Today is 1st April 2019 and at first I want to wish you happy April Fool Day. You know today is a very funny day, everyone makes April Fool. So after the end of Holi, the winter ends and the summer started. So very hot and I'm wearing this full sleeve shirt because I am going to Asansol for some work with my brother. And if you have not watched my Holi vlog, please go and watch it. Lots of fun in Holi, festival of colors. And actually today we are going by scooty, so today's vlog will be mainly moto vlog and I am carrying my helmet also. And one more thing I want to say, you have watching this fogg perfume, ladies perfume, but it smells very good. I like it. It's very good. So friends, let's go and enjoy. Right now I am in my brother's shop, Amber Telecom, and this is a mobile shop. You have seen me in my previous vlog. You can get Vivo, Oppo, Samsung. Nice shop. Here are all accessories. And one more thing I forgot to show you. Scooty. You have seen in my one of the previous moto vlog this scooty Activa 125 that we are finding second-hand scooty. Actually we are going for new one, but for business and rough use second-hand scooty is got good, and we got this for 40,000, almost in half price. A new scooty is almost 85,000 on road, and this is Honda Aviator. So let's go, I'll show you the scooty. Good condition, 2 years old, most probably 2017 edition. So let's go and see it. This is Honda Aviator, black color. Quite good condition. $40,000 Indian rupees is good price for this scooty. Almost half price. Sumanji, ready?
Yes.
Ready bro, ready? Yeah. So if you want any mobile and accessories, you can contact. I will give the link in the description box. Yeah, let's go. Today I will be pillion and Suman Bhaiya will be the rider. This road is NH60. In Google Maps it shows NH14 connecting North Bengal to South Bengal. I am going towards Odisha and now we will have a break. We are taking some energy stuffs for the ride. this road heavy vehicles are prohibited because of this narrow bridge, but now the construction started. Look, here will be one flyover and there will be no hectic jams and all. It will take almost 2 years. All are saying that. When the flyover will be completed, the road will be superb. No more obstacles. Here will be the pillars flyover. This is the most epic railway gate. When the flyover will be completed, we will be free from this hectic jam over here. Now we are connecting to NH2, which shows in Google Map NH19. This connect Kolkata to New Delhi. The way to Asansol, city of brotherhood, and we are taking the bypass now. And we will enter through the railway colony. This is the way to railway colony. I love this colony. The road were awesome. I love this tunnel. Finally, we entered Asansol market. So finally we reached the bazaar and the scooty is very comfortable. It started raining. I thought the weather will be sunny, so I wore this full sleeve shirt and look, now it's turned cloudy. Street shopping. The weather gone crazy. Sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's not raining. So far, so good. Now feeling very hungry and we will have some street food. Food was good and almost work done. Few more left, and after that we'll go back home. It's raining. Samosa was awesome and the sweets were so delicious, and it's again raining and we are waiting. So all work done and now it's time to go back home. Still now it's raining. It feels good when we are on ride on rainy time. Now we left the highway and took a countryside road. Again, level crossing, jam, bad luck. Guys, finally back home and it started raining and we are wet and it's still now raining, so now I can't vlog anymore. So now we'll end the vlog with all set. Bye bye, take care, see you in the next vlog very soon. Till then, be happy. Bye bye, see you soon, and do whatever you like, whatever makes you happy, and be happy. Bye bye, good night.